Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's right, week 9. At the end of week 9, almost for the last 2 weeks. I can't believe we've already made it to this point. So a lot of good stuff. Just to give everybody a heads up, I just wanted to apologize real quick. Sorry I didn't have your grades back by Thursday. I had some family members going to the hospital this weekend, and including my kid, and this is a little tough. I'm sorry about that. So everything's finished and graded. All the feedback's done. If there's any past grades from the past assignments, I'm going to look at that tomorrow. So you should have that back by tomorrow. So there should be no problems with that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just want to give everybody, there's no any information for this announcement. I just want to give some reminders that you do have your reply posts due tonight for your discussion. Also, your course projects are due at the end on Sunday as well. If you need to get in contact with me, please text me